Hello dear learners. Today we are going to see the MCQ questions, that is multiple choice questions based on health education and community pharmacy from Diploma in Pharmacy. To start with, the question is, the scientific study of human population is called. The options are demography, epidemiology, psychology, all of the above. As you all know, psychology is to deal with the mental mental things, then or psychic things. Then epidemiology is dealing with the diseases, and as per the definition, the correct answer is demography, since the definition says demography is the scientific study of human population. Then next is, pernicious anemia is caused by. Options are copper, zinc, cobalt, zirconium, and the answer is zinc, which we have studied in the nutrition and food chapter. Which one of the following is a viral infection is the next question. The options are plague, corona, polio, both B and C. So plague is again a viral plague is not a viral disease. Corona is as we all know, it's a viral disease. Polio, it's a viral disease. It is caused due to polio virus. Corona is caused due to coronavirus. So the correct answer is both B and C. This we have seen in communicable diseases chapter. Next question is from epidemiology chapter, which we have studied in HECP. The question is, capacity to resist the infections by the body is. Options are disease, vaccine, immunity, immunology. Now immunology is the study of immunity, so definitely it is not there. Then vaccine is it cannot be a capacity. The disease, again, it is not a capacity. So the correct answer is immunity. Immunity is nothing but the power to resist the infections. Next question is a general question, which is from HECP. The question is, where the headquarter of WHO is situated. Now this WHO, as you all know, it is its full form is World Health Organization, and all the definitions which we are studying in health education are given by WHO. So where the headquarter of WHO is situated? It is situated in the Geneva. Next question is, ELISA test is done to diagnose. Now this enzyme link immunosorbent assay test, it is one of the diagnostic tests which is done for HIV, that is AIDS. So the answer is HIV. Next question is from demography and family planning. The question is, which of the following contraceptive method is a permanent method for females? Now as we all know, permanent methods, there are two methods, vasectomy and tubectomy. Tubectomy is done by the females. It is done for the females, that the fallopian tubes are tied, both it is cut is given and both the ends are tied. And vasectomy is used by males. So the correct answer is, it is tubectomy, which is used by the females. Next question is, which of the following contraceptive method is not used by males? So the correct the contraceptive method, condom, is the physical contraception. It is used by males. Vasectomy, again, vas difference. So it is used by so this is the permanent method of contraception for the males. Again, withdrawal, that means so that the semen secretion should not enter the vagina, so it is withdrawal. It is again a physical method, that is withdrawal of penis. and this tubectomy is generally done by the females. So the correct answer is tubectomy. So tubectomy, which is not used by the males, it is done for the females. Next question again, it is from demography and family planning. The question is, family planning method are used to. So family planning, according to the definition given by the WHO of that of family planning, the definition includes these two. First is prevent unwanted pregnancy. That means family planning is done to prevent the unwanted pregnancies. That means those who don't want the pregnancies. Then regulate the spacing between the childrens. That means whatever may be the number of child, 1, 2, 3, to regulate the spacing between the number of childrens, family planning is generally done. Last option is none of the above, so it cannot be there. C option is both A and B, so it is both prevent the unwanted pregnancy and regulate the spacing between the children. So the option is both A and B. Next question, it is from epidemiology. The question is, universal immunization program was started in the year. The answer is, it is started in 1985. Next question is, which of the following vitamin is essential for absorption of calcium? Now the question is again from nutrition and food, and as we all know, absorption of calcium is to be done with the help of another vitamin. So the essential vitamin which is needed for the required vitamin which is needed for the absorption of calcium is D. So A, E, K, it is not there. So D, which is obtained from the natural sunlight source, it is required for the absorption of calcium into the body. Next question again, it is from nutrition and food. The question is, fat soluble vitamins are. As we all know, vitamin B, B complex and C. Since B, C, vitamin C, as we all know, if you will consider the common example, lemon, so it is soluble in water. So vitamin C is soluble in water. Then vitamin B complex, again B and C, it is soluble in water, and the remaining are A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K, all four are fat soluble vitamins. So this B, C, E, again this is a incorrect option since B and C are water soluble, and none of the above, both A and B is also not possible. So fat soluble vitamin, the correct answer is A, D, E, K. Coming towards the next question, which is again from nutrition and food. Now just now we discussed the water soluble vitamins are B and C, and next option also we'll see A, D, E, K, these are fat soluble. Another option is niacin. Again niacin is from vitamin B complex, so niacin will also come in water soluble. B and C will also come in water soluble. So the correct answer is both A and C. Coming towards the next question, the question is from again nutrition and food chapter. The question is, which of the following deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia? Now megaloblastic anemia is to deal with cyanocobalamin, which is vitamin B12. Pyridoxine is B6, niacin is B3, and both B and C option is incorrect. Megaloblastic anemia, the major responsible is cyanocobalamin. Next question is again from nutrition and food. The question is, which of the following disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1? B1 is beriberi. Correct answer is beriberi. B1 beriberi. So scurvy, again it is due to vitamin C. All of the above, again it is not possible. Pellagra also, it is niacin. So the correct answer is beriberi, which is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B1. Next question is, which of the following disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C? Now again it is from nutrition and food, and the options are, since beriberi now just now we have seen, so it is not possible. Pellagra is also it is due to vitamin B3. Again all of the above is not possible. So the correct answer is scurvy, which is the deficiency disease of vitamin C. Next question is from communicable disease. The question is, full form of HIV is the abbreviated form. So what is the full form of HIV? First is human independent virus, it is also incorrect. Then second is human immunodeficiency virus, this one is correct answer. Then human index virus is also incorrect, none of the above is also incorrect. So the correct answer is human immunodeficiency virus. Next question is from nutrition and food, richest source of vitamin C is. So as you all know, amongst these options, spinach, apple, papaya, amla, amla is the richest source of vitamin C. So the correct answer is amla. Next question is again from communicable diseases. So the question is, which of these is not a sexually transmitted disease? The options are influenza, gonorrhea, syphilis, chancroid. So as you all know, gonorrhea, syphilis, chancroid, which we have studied in the classification, all are sexually transmitted diseases. So the remaining is influenza. So the correct answer is influenza, because the question is which of these is not a sexually transmitted disease. So influenza is a respiratory tract disease. So this is the correct answer. Next question is from nutrition and food. The question is, vitamin B1 is also known as, the options are pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin, niacin, thiamine, and the correct answer is thiamine. B1 is also known as thiamine. Next question is, vitamin B3 is also known as, the options are pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin, niacin, thiamine. B3 is also known as niacin. The correct answer is C, niacin. Next question is, vitamin B6 is also known as, now again these questions are from nutrition and food. Vitamin B6 is known as, the options are pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin, niacin, thiamine. So the correct answer is pyridoxine. B6 is also known as pyridoxine. Deficiency of pyridoxine, again it leads to peripheral neuropathy. The next question again from nutrition and food. The question is, vitamin B12 is also known as, the options are pyridoxine, cyanocobalamin, niacin, thiamine. Now till now whatever the questions we have discussed, pyridoxine is B6, niacin is B3, thiamine is B1. So the remaining is cyanocobalamin. So the correct answer is cyanocobalamin, which is B12. Next question is again from nutrition and food. The question is, vitamin B2 is also known as, now cyanocobalamin, niacin, thiamine we have done with it. So the remaining is riboflavin. The correct answer is riboflavin, which is known as B2. Next question is, 1 gram of fat gives. So the answer out of these, the 6 kilocalorie, 10 kilocalorie, 5 kilocalorie, 9 kilocalories, the answer is 9 kilocalories. 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories energy. Then next question is from communicable disease, and the question is, lepramine test is used for. The lepramine test is used for, as the name suggests, lepro, it is leprosy. So the correct answer is leprosy. It is not used for TB, malaria, or the last option. Then next question is IMR. This is the abbreviated form. IMR stands for, options are infant morbidity rate, infant mortality rate, infant marital rate, none of the above. Now marital and none of the above is not possible. So out of these two, morbidity and mortality, the correct answer is infant mortality rate. The abbreviated form stands for infant mortality rate. The next question is, MDT is used for. Now MDT is an abbreviated form of multi-drug therapy. Now multi-drug therapy is used in treatment of which of the following disease? Option D is not possible. Malaria, TB and leprosy. Out of these, the correct answer is leprosy. Multi-drug therapy is used in case of treatment of leprosy. Next question is, causative organism for leprosy is. Again this question is from communicable disease. As you all know, the leprosy is a surface infection, and it is caused due to the microorganism Mycobacterium leprae. So the correct answer is C, Mycobacterium leprae. Next question is from epidemiology. Now the question is incubation period for measles and mumps is. The correct answer is it is generally having a long incubation period of 10 days to 3 weeks. The next question is oral polio vaccine 1 and diphtheria pertussis tetanus vaccine 1 is given at what age? The correct answer is it is given at 6 weeks. Then next question is the 6 weeks is generally from the immunization schedule chart which is there in the chapter epidemiology, which we have studied in detail in the theory. The next question is most common type of plague is. Now again this question is from communicable disease. The most common type of plague is bubonic plague, as you all know. Pneumonic is incorrect. Septicemia, all of the above is also not possible. Bubonic plague is the most common type of plague. The next question is from nutrition and food. Vitamin E is also known as, all of the above is not the answer. Bernol is also not the answer. Retinol is also not the answer. The correct answer is tocopherol. Vitamin D is also known as tocopherol. Next question is from again communicable disease. The question is which of the following is a respiratory disorder? Now respiratory disorder, the options if you will see, gonorrhea, syphilis, chancroid, which we have seen earlier also, all these three are sexually transmitted diseases, and the influenza is again a respiratory disease, respiratory tract infection. So the correct answer is influenza. Next question is again from epidemiology. The question is route of transmission of measles vaccine is. The route of transmission of measles vaccine is, or route of administration, you can call route of administration of measles vaccine is, route of administration is subcutaneous. The other routes are intramuscular, intravenous, intradermal for other vaccines. These routes also we have studied in the epidemiology chapters immunization schedule chart. Next question is other name of chickenpox is variola, varicella, vesicola, none of them. So the other name of chickenpox which we have studied in the communicable disease, it is varicella. Next question is again from epidemiology. The question is artificial active immunity is conferred by. Definitely this artificial active immunity, no antibodies is not the answer. Detoxification is the process. It is it cannot also be the answer. Vaccination is possible. Antitoxic effect, since it's a effect, it cannot be the answer. So the correct answer is vaccination, which confers the artificial active immunity when administered. Then next question is the most common method of storing vaccine at state level is. Now this is again from the chapter epidemiology. The concept which we have studied in epidemiology is the cold chain storage. In cold chain storage we have seen the storage of vaccines at different temperatures at different levels. State level we have seen, primary health center we have seen, district level storage we have seen. So at the state level the vaccines are stored in walk-in coolers, not in cold box, ILK and refrigerator. Next question is all are communicable diseases except. Now again the question is from communicable diseases. Amongst these diseases all are communicable except. So which one of these is not a communicable disease, we'll have to find out. So the leprosy, it is also a communicable disease which is a surface infection. TB, again it is a respiratory tract infection, it is a communicable disease. Cancer, it cannot be transferred. What do you mean by communicable diseases? It can be transferred from one human being to another. So cancer cannot be transferred from one human being to another. And the last option is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, again as we all know, it is a sexually transmitted disease. So the correct answer is cancer. Next question is again it is from first that is concept of health chapter. The question is WHO definition of health includes which dimensions? As we all know, the dimensions of health are physical, mental, social dimensions of health. And as per the WHO definition, means definition given by World Health Organization, it covers physical aspect also, mental aspect also, social aspect also. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Next question is immunoglobulin found in allergic condition is, the correct answer for allergic condition immunoglobulin is IgE. IgE is the immunoglobulin which is generally found in the allergic conditions. Next question, again it is from epidemiology. Question is immunoglobulin which is present in body secretions. So generally the IgA, the correct answer is IgA. IgA is present in various secretions, gastrointestinal secretions, other body milk secretions, etc. So the correct answer is IgA. Next question is again from the communicable disease. The question is VDRL test is used for the diagnosis of, and the correct answer is TB. VDRL test is used in the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Next question is a disease called pandemic when the disease is, the options are when it occurs in more than one area, an epidemic occurring worldwide. So as we all know now, the blooming is corona. Again it's a pandemic. So how it is spreading? Epidemic means what? It spreads within a short span of time period and occurring worldwide. So both the features are there. Next option is occurs in more than one season. So this is also not the more appropriate answer, and none of the above is not possible at all. So the correct answer is an epidemic occurring worldwide. That means it is occurring worldwide, that too it is spreading at the faster rate. Next question is Sheik test is used in. Now, correct answer is B, diphtheria. Sheik test is used in the diagnosis of diphtheria. Next question is MMR is a trivalent vaccine for. Now MMR full form is, this is the abbreviated form. The full form is measles, mumps, rubella. So definitely the options, as you can see, measles, mumps, rubella, all the three are there, and the last option is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. MMR full form is measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Next question, again it is from epidemiology. Question is which vaccine should be stored in freezing compartment? So the cold chain, again the concept of cold chain storage from the epidemiology applies here. In cold chain storage concept, we have seen the storage of different vaccines. So the out of that storage, the vaccines which are to be stored in freezing compartment are, the correct answer is both A and B, that is measles as well as polio. Typhoid is to be stored in refrigerator, not in freezing compartment. Next question is again from communicable disease. The question is when was the first case of HIV reported in India? The correct answer is 1986. First case was reported in year 1986. Next question is again from nutrition and food. The question is clinical form of PEM is. PEM is the abbreviated form. The full form is protein energy malnutrition. So out of these options, which one is the form of protein energy malnutrition? Kwashiorkor, yes it is there. Osteomalacia, it is not there. Scurvy is also not there. Beriberi is also not there. So the correct answer is Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor and marasmus, these are the two clinical forms of protein energy malnutrition. With this we finish with the some of the MCQs from HECP. We'll come again with the next video and few more MCQs on health education and community pharmacy. Thank you.